Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make a login page in Webflow. We'll begin by understanding the essential components needed for a secure login experience. First, set up your Webflow project, whether it's a brand new site or an existing one. Then, we'll dive into utilizing Webflow's intuitive form elements to gather user input, ensuring a solid foundation for your authentication process. This initial setup is crucial for building a robust and functional login system. Next, let's focus on designing your login form within Webflow. You'll want to customize the two primary input fields for email and password, applying your brand's unique styling. Don't forget to add a clear Submit button, which will be the gateway to your authentication process. It's also vital to ensure your design is fully responsive, providing a seamless experience across devices, from large desktop monitors to small mobile phones. Now, let's talk about connecting your login form to actual user accounts. You'll need to explore various backend authentication services that can securely manage user data. Webflow allows you to integrate these services using its custom code embed feature, enabling API calls. Implementing client-side validation is also a smart move, providing immediate feedback to users and enhancing their overall experience before data even reaches the server. Finally, we'll cover crucial aspects of security and user experience. Implement clear password strength indicators and helpful error messages to guide your users. Think about adding convenient features like a forgot password link and a Remember Me option for returning users. Most importantly, thoroughly test your entire login flow across at least 3 different device types to ensure it's robust, secure, and user-friendly for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.